Hey everyone, so what I really wanted to show all the indie developers out there and founders out there and CEOs out there is how you can quickly share the link to your product's website, even the link to your app, right from your keyboard whenever you need it. So no more having to go leave an app or search your app in the App Store or going to the browser and finding your website link and copying and pasting it to where you want to share it. Everything you need, the links you need are going to be all on your keyboard, right? So what we have here is OneTap, and I'm in the home page, and as you can see, I have a ton of folders that have keyboard shortcuts within them. I have a whole folder for OneTap team, and what's really cool about this is everyone on OneTap's team has access to this folder. So, you know, these shortcuts are on all our team's devices, right? And so I already have a download keyboard shortcut here. If I click into it, this is the link to download OneTap. You can even see at the bottom, I used this 468 times. So hopefully I got 468 users from using this keyboard shortcut. I can edit this keyboard shortcut if I want to, but we're going to create our own. We're going to create another one. So I'm going to create OneTap app. Go to link shortcut type. I'm going to head on over to the App Store because I want to show you, I'm not going to use a keyboard shortcut because I'm going to show you how you would do this. Come in here, paste this. And as you can see, I'm already adding it to the right folder. So I'm going to click add. And then you can see it's right down here. So what I'm going to do is actually click this select option in the top right. And I'm going to drag this up so that we can use it quicker, okay? So good, our OneTap keyboard shortcut's created. Now, all I need is head on into my messages here, and I'm gonna click the bottom left icon, click OneTap team, and then I'm gonna click OneTap app, and there you go. That is how you set up a keyboard shortcut so that you can quickly share links like this whenever you need to.